Hey everyone! Video quality is key to making our content engaging and professional. Even a great clip can look unpolished if the resolution, color, or sharpness isn't right. Capcut gives us a range of tools to make our videos more vibrant, clear, and visually appealing. We can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, and use filters, stabilization, and resolution settings. Capcut makes it easy for both beginners and experienced editors to improve their videos. Knowing how to enhance video quality in Capcut helps us create content that stands out on social media or professional platforms. This guide shows how we can use Capcut's built-in tools to improve our video quality. We'll look at adjusting color grading, sharpness, contrast, and brightness, adding filters or effects, stabilizing shaky footage, and exporting the video in the best possible resolution. By following these steps, we can turn ordinary footage into content that looks polished and professional. This guide will help us understand the main adjustments that affect video quality and give us practical tips to make our projects look great without needing advanced software. Now let's get started and enhance video quality in Capcut together. First, we open Capcut and then create a project. Once we're in, we import a video. For example, let's use this video. We drag it to the video track and we click on it. Here, we can see the stabilize option. We can also enhance and let the tool improve the quality. It will also use AI remove. Let's wait for these processes to finish. Just give it a moment. We can also choose HD or Ultra HD. Let's wait for the image quality to process. Once it's done enhancing, we now know how to enhance video quality. You can also adjust manually by going to adjust in the upper right, but it will take long. Once we know how to enhance video quality in Capcut, our videos will look sharper, more vibrant, and more professional, keeping viewers' attention from start to finish. Using these enhancements regularly can really boost our content's appeal, whether it's for social media, personal, or professional use. Try out different adjustments and filters to see what works best for your footage. With Capcut's tools, we can always create high-quality, visually stunning videos.